Jiangsu Changpu Intelligent Technology. Today we'll demonstrate how to operate for core ultrasonic sewing machines, tape cutting machine, manual non-woven bag machine, ultrasonic spot welding machine, DA punching machine, flat non-woven bags and handle non-woven bags. With these machines, we can produce these two kinds of popular non-woven shopping bags. The whole production can be realized with this complete set of equipment. Type 1. Production process of flat non-woven bags. Step 1. Edge sealing with Changpu ultrasonic lace sewing machine. Folding the non-woven fabric to the required finished size and feed it into the ultrasonic lacing machine for edge laminating. Replace the appropriate lace mold according to the specific requirements for compounding and edge pressing. If you have to lace machines using different molds, no replacement is needed. Seal and trim both sides of the bag body in one go while removing excess edge waste simultaneously. Step 2. Punching and forming with Changpu punching machine. Place the edge sealed bag flat into the punching machine and aligning it with the preset punching positions. Step on the foot switch to finish punching, and a complete flat non-woven bag is ready. Type 2. Production process of handle non-woven bags. First, make the bag body following video 1. The basic sealing and cutting procedures are exactly the same as those for flat bags. Put the handle material into the edge, folder wrapping device of the lace machine, and laminate and shape it with the lace machine. Move to the rear of the tape cutting machine. Feed the hands strapped into the machine, then click start to finish strap cutting. Take out the non-woven handle straps, cut by the ultrasonic tape cutting machine, and feed them into the ultrasonic spot welding machine. Step down to perform spot welding 2. Firmly attach the handles to the bag body. Feed the bag back into with welded handles. The lace machine for secondary edge sealing and reinforcement refer to video 2. The finished handling non-woven bag is completed. Jiangsu Changpu Intelligent Technology warmly welcome customers and partners too. Come for inspection and communication.